sons of God, bring to the Lord young rams. Bring to the Lord glory and honor. Bring to the Lord glory due to His name. Worship the Lord in His holy court. The voice of the Lord is upon the waters. The God of glory has thundered. The Lord is upon many waters. The voice of the Lord is mighty. The voice of the Lord is full of majesty. There is the voice of the Lord who breaks the cedars. The Lord will break the cedars of Libanus, and He will beat them small. Even Libanus sits up like a calf, and the beloved one is as a young unicorn. There is a voice of the Lord who divides a flame of fire. A voice of the Lord who shakes the wilderness. The Lord will shake the wilderness of Cades. The voice of the Lord strengthens the hinds and will uncover the thickets. And in His temple everyone speaks of His glory. The Lord will dwell on the waterflood, and the Lord will sit a king forever. The Lord will give strength to His people. The Lord will bless His people with peace. Bring to the Lord, ye sons of God. Bring to the Lord young rams. Bring to the Lord glory and honor. Bring to the Lord glory due to His name. Worship the Lord in His holy court. The voice of the Lord is upon the waters. The God of glory has thundered. The Lord is upon many waters. The voice of the Lord is mighty. The voice of the Lord is full of majesty. There is the voice of the Lord who breaks the cedars. The Lord will break the cedars of Libanus, and He will beat them small. Even Libanus itself like a calf, and the beloved one is as a young unicorn. There is a voice of the Lord who divides a flame of fire. A voice of the Lord who shakes the wilderness. The Lord will shake the wilderness of Cades. The voice of the Lord strengthens the hinds and will uncover the thickets. And in His temple everyone speaks of His glory. The Lord will dwell on the waterflood, and the Lord will sit a king forever. Give strength to His people. The Lord will bless His people with peace.